Hey everyone, Mini Handbags here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, a returning viewer, or you just stopped by, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to all my returning viewers, welcome back to another bag review. As you guys can see, your girl picked up something from Victoria's Secret, and this particular bag I was not checking for, but I was checking for this particular material. So I've been seeing a lot of you guys sharing your raffia style, scrawl style bags. And your girl was like, I want one. I want one. And it's crazy, guys, because I did have one way back in the day. But of course, I don't still have it. So I was like, oh, I want to add one to my collection. I love it as a summer vibe bag. So I end up seeing one on Victoria's Secret. And because it is my birthday month in July, when I am recording this video, I went ahead and I ordered the Victoria's Secret version of this bag, y'all. So I'm really excited that it's here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, guys, now let me know down below, y'all, because I don't know if y'all can see the name that's on the bag. But I clearly got this from Victoria's Secret, and I am going to make sure none of my information is showing on the order form before I show it to you guys. But I want to show you guys what I got the bag for. And the original price of the bag was, I want to say it was like $149, but that is the price that I got the bag for. So $89.60. And then you guys can clearly see it says Victoria's Secret at the top, but on the bag here it says Steve Madden. I did not know Victoria's Secret sells Steve Madden bags, but here we go. This is in the color cognac, and it is the Steve Madden large tote bag. This sticker says brown, and then this sticker over here says cognac, so I'm not sure which one is which. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. I love the stud detailing at the top on the front or slash back of the bag. I guess however you decide to rock it. It does have 4 feet on the bottom. It does have the Steve Madden here in gold with a, I guess this is a faux leather patch. I'm not sure if the trimming is all leather or not, but you do have the gold studding here on this side. So I'm assuming you could wear this bag either or way. You can wear it with the logo showing on one side, or you could wear it with the stud showing on the other side as your front or back. And ooh, it comes with a really cute hang tag here. All the hardware on the bag is in gold. So that is a key. Oh, and you actually get 2. And then you get a lock, but the lock doesn't look like it works. Okay. So let's get into the inside of the bag. It does have a nice lining in the inside, a nice light tan color. It does say Steve Madden all over in cursive. You do have a snap magnetic closure. You get a back zipper compartment, and then you get the Steve Madden patch here on the back as well too. And then on the front or back side, you get a slip pocket here. And it is trimmed in that faux leather. So yeah, this is a pretty big bag, y'all. This is a nice size tote bag. And like I said, really cute for summer vibes, picnics. My girl, Chi Washington, where we going? So this would be really cute for a beach bag, really cute for if you're going on a picnic in the park. It looks like it does come with an accessory piece, so that is really cute. And I don't remember seeing that featured on the picture on Victoria's Secret, but that's really cute. So it's like a bag charm, y'all. And it's actually pretty big too. You can get a good amount in that bag charm. So I really like that, y'all. That is adorable. All right, I'm about to say, does it come off? But yes, it does. So let me go ahead and pull that off so we can see that up close as well too. All right, stay up. Let me grab my scissors. We're going to go ahead and cut that off. So we can see the bag charm that comes with it. And it has a cute little top handle. And then, of course, it does have a scrap on it so that you can attach it to the bag. But I'm pretty sure if you didn't want to and you wanted to wear this inside of the bag, you could do that as well too. Just drop it inside of the bag. I'm pretty sure it's big enough to fit like your AirPods in there. Let me see if I have mine close by. Let's see. I have my Samsung one right here. So let's see if it'll fit in here. Yep. Fits in there. Snug as a bug in a rug. There we go. And let's see if it'll snap. Yep, and it snaps, guys. So yeah, it's big enough to fit your AirPods or earbuds in there. Let's see, I also have my iWalk charger. So let's see if that'll fit down in there and still snap. Yep, so the iWalk charger fits in there. It is a little wonky, but I mean, it definitely fits in there with no problem. Still snaps closed. So yeah, you can fit a good amount of items inside of this cute little, I want to say this is probably like a little, supposed to be like a little tote bag or shoulder bag charm. But that is really cute. Does come with the top handles here as well. So I need to see if this fits on my shoulder comfortably. I will come back and give you guys a more in-depth review on my carry of this bag when I do carry it. I will throw the measurements of this bag up on the screen as well too, so that you guys can see the measurement. But yeah, I am absolutely loving this Steve Madden tote bag. This is really cute with the scrawl detailing. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to be really careful while carrying this bag. It looks like it may have a little snag right there already. Well, no, that came off. Okay, so yeah, it kind of feels like a scrawl material, but it's super soft. It's more on a softer side than I thought it would be for a raffia or scrawl type bag. Now that one is a little nick. I'll have to try to take that off so it doesn't, you know, continue to unravel. But other than that, it looks really good. I love the fact that it does come with 4 feet on the bottom. Y'all know I love a bag with feet on the bottom. This is just what it looks like snap closed from the top. So you can definitely fit a lot in this bag, guys. Super cute. But yeah, I just picked this up off of the Victoria's Secret site. I think it's still available. It did come in another color, black, like the trim was black on the other one. That was really cute as well too. I don't have any accessories with this type material that will match this bag. I may have to go on a hunt and see if I can find something, but if not, I definitely have plenty of accessories that'll still pair really well with this particular bag. But yeah, I just wanted to come on really quickly and share this Steve Madden tote bag that I got that's like that raffia scrawl like material. Drop down in the comments and let me know, do you have a scrawl tote bag or raffia style tote bag in your collection? And please make sure, like I said earlier, if you're new here, if you're just dropping by for the first time, or if you're a returning viewer and for some reason you guys are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like as well as share, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.